Okay, today we've got the BLOX control arms, lower control arms, for your 08 to 20 WRX or STi, or your BRZ, Ft-86, 86, whatever you're going to call it nowadays, FRS. Yeah, anyway, it's one part fits all those cars. When you're lowering your car, whether you're putting on springs or suspension, I like coilovers, like silvers, you know. But anyway, you're going to need this to get the proper alignment in the rear. Most of the coilover kits nowadays come with front camber plates, if they're of good quality anyway, and that way you'll be able to get your car dialed in for when you go and set your ride height and your alignment. So we got here at Import Image Racing an unbeatable deal on the BLOX lower control arms. I've got them in gold. Hold on, let's open them up so you can see. Oh, look, bolts. We also have them in chrome, and they're usually like $260, and I have them discounted at $215 on the site. And I hear if you message a sales guy, oh wait, become the stickers, you can get a combo deal with a set of coilovers. Anyway, let's check this out here. So you've got your, wow, this thing's like, it's the only thing in this room, and there's lights. It's shinier than my head. That's right. And just plug on in this joint here. So this is going to let you get to your -3 or greater camber. They're strong, they're beefy, and for the price, really nothing beats it. Let me show you the chrome as well, so you can figure out which color you like better. As I know. Oh yes, I don't want to block that. So here's the chrome color. So whatever fits your scheme, whatever you're going with, I would select that. If you want to be loud, I would get the gold. I like gold. No, this stands out too. Well, in any event, it's a great product at an unbeatable price, and you can get it today from Import Image Racing. We'll see you on the site.